Ventilation level. There are 30 ventilation levels in total. 10 ventilation levels per page. Click the Next Page button to enter the next page. Click the Page Up button to enter the previous page. Minimum ventilation in target parameters select off. The first row of ventilation levels shows very poor. The range of each level is freely set by us. The second column shows the opening temperature. The opening temperature cannot be entered. The opening temperature is equal to the opening temperature of the previous level, plus the sum of the extremes of this level. The third row is the running time of the fan. The fourth row is the fan stop time. Running time, stop time we can enter freely. Stop time plus run time. Cycle time equal to this level. When both running time and stop time have numbers. This level status is that the fan is out of control when the running time has any number. The stop time is 0 hours. At this time, the status of this level is that the fan rotates when frequently. The running time is 0. When the stop time has any number. This level of fan does not work. Some piano clubs have heating problems. As a result, the temperature in the house cannot reach the target value. Some managers at this time to stop the fan from running. Here we can set it up. So for example, 0.3 degrees Celsius do not turn on the target temperature. We plug it into -0.3. The running time of the fan is 0. In this way, the fan will stop working. Level 2 range setting plus 0.3 degrees Celsius. At this time, the ventilation time is set normally, so that when the target temperature is reached, the fan is running normally. The back is the ratio of side window to damper opening. The first two are the side windows. So here's group 2. Side window. Seal the door left, seal the door right. That is, the two side wall water curtain baffles are a group. The gable door is divided into 2 groups. That is to say, this environmental controller can control a total of 5 groups. A total of 8 motors. Enter after the corresponding level. The corresponding opening ratio will be automatically turned on. If it is 0, it means closed. Click the arrow here to turn right. V1, V2 represents the variable frequency and that's the ring controller. Can support 2 sets of frequency conversion fans. After entering the percentage, the inverter fan starts to work normally. 100% represents full power operation. 1-8 indicates 8 wind turbines. Click the right page turn arrow. Here is 9-18. That is, this ring controller has a total of 18 wind turbines. Which fan should we choose for each ventilation level? Just click behind the corresponding wind turbine. After clicking, the check mark appears. The check mark indicates that it is enabled. The check mark disappears when clicked again. Indicates that this set of fans is not enabled in the System Engineering Output Configuration fan layout. You can see the fan position and code. The fan code here, it corresponds exactly to 1-18 in the ventilation level. For example, I want to turn on the fan in this position. This location is number 1 fan. That's in the ventilation level. Just select the number 1 fan. In actual use, there are a few details to introduce to you. If no fan is selected in the ventilation level, then the environmental controller will automatically run ventilation level with fan. Click to turn left. If the range of these levels is 0, that is, when the opening temperature difference is consistent, then when upgrading, upgrade directly from level 1 to level 4. No 2 or 3 levels. Downgrade directly from level 4 to level 1. No 2 or 3 levels. In daily production, by increasing the temperature of the ventilation level to achieve the restriction level. For example, today I only want to use 5 levels. A high temperature can be set at 6 levels. This will prevent you from reaching or exceeding level 6. If the minimum ventilation in the target parameter, we choose custom or default ventilation. Compensated medium air selection custom or default, so the ventilation levels are not extremely poor. Its correction. each level, regardless of whether there is a number for the subsequent stop time. It's all the level of the wind turbine, Captain. We are behind each level. Incremental number of fans turned on. Is that so? The environment controller automatically calculates each level. The difference between the constant rotation of the fan. In daily management, we believe it is necessary to adjust the long rotation value of the fan. Modifications and adjustments can be made.